Carrots! They're good for your eyes. Ask anybody.
Oh, hey everyone! We have a message from their wind dancer!
My fellow Zootopians, on this special day of celebration, we gather to honor our shared connection, remembering today and every day we truly are better Zoogether. What's that? Celebrations going wrong across the city. Someone attempting to ruin Zoogether Day? Nay! And we're still alive, right? I'm sure everything is fine. Have a happy Zoogether Day. Can somebody get the bunny in the box on this?
Thank you, their wind dancer. Showtime! Alright, mammals, this is it. Please, no flash pictures or video lighting during the watch party. Our nocturnal friends, thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws, stomp your hooves. I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Zoogether Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia and an unforgettable concert finale from superstar Preshow! With your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! T-shirt! 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 And surprise! One of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry on up, our lucky guest!
Oh,
But then I don't know the slot.
Me?
I am so excited.
Whatever. Come on up! And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser.
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button.
Which button? Oh, this one.
No, careful. The flashing one.
I'm really bad at this.
Please don't mess with the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Right for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
We need you to fill in for Heidi.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay. Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Kozlo!
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
White snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow!
breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that butt. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Detectives Austin while investigating the discovery.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter to get through it.
Here's the water. Nick, let's search for clues.
Okay, Carrots, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you.
What? Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bubba.
Hey, bub. Bubba, bubba.
Hey, bub.
See who did this?
Seriously? Wool. It was clogged with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little rodentia.
Time to make like a tree head.
Bark.
What?
Let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shroom Angels! Hi, it's your girl, Frou Frou. In Little Rodentia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
So cute.
You're looking to get iced?
Daddy, I like one.
Good luck, lady!
Donuts do save lives.
Sheep? Bellwether must be behind this. But how?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
We're in pursuit.
Zootopia! Let's dance, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Pogo!
Clawhauser,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief.
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief.
Hey! Wanna shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks.
Oh, you think his head has a lot of flies? You should see his...
Wait.
Oh no! That's Gazelle Tickets!
Oh no, my costume!
A costume?
Carrots!
That's it. No other's plan.
Hey! Grab on!
Clawhauser, beware of hunt.
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yes!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
What the?
Hey, Heidi. Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, sheep.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Oh, Gazelle!
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, VIZ.
The best day ever!
Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Dream a dream. Make a wish upon a whisker as a team.
Here we go.
Joining up as brothers.
Sister, put your paw in mine.
We're pouncing toward a better day.
Yikes.
Tails intertwined, we raise our hearts up and we say,
Oh, really?
so as we start this collective howl, we are together now.
Hop on our train of thought. Toot toot.
I think they've seen a lot.
Great! We love what we got. It's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Neighbor to neighbor. So raise your voices, come on and say, let's all unite for Zoogether Day.
We love you, Zootopia.
Bye-bye now.
Bye, everyone.
Join in as you exit. Tell her pick up movie to your left.